Welcome to my Kartra best deal video, where we will explore the best deal for your particular needs, and in a moment I'll also be showing you how to access my 12k bonus stack that solves the number one problem all businesses have, so be sure to stick around to the end. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, or small business, Kartra definitely has an option for you. So let's take a look at some of the deals and plans that Kartra has to offer. So as you can see, Kartra has a few options, a few plans that you can really take advantage of, but what do you get for each plan and what deal makes sense? So let's go ahead and look at it. Now, firstly, you do have the 30-day free trial, which I always advise if you're not sure what plan makes sense for you, then start right here, because not only will you get zero transaction fees, you can build your own course on Kartra, you can create landing pages, generate leads, send up to 1,000 emails, make a sale, and you also get a one-on-one onboarding call along with full access to Kartra support. And you get all of that for 30 days for free. Now let's go straight to the starter plan. Now the starter plan is Kartra's first true offering. Now with the starter plan, you do get access to all the good features such as Kartra AI, but you also get zero transaction fees, unlimited emails, 2,500 contacts, one domain, one language, and 5 team members. This means unlimited pages and forms, unlimited emails and sequences, unlimited membership sites and courses, 100 plus ready to launch campaigns, access to a calendar scheduling and booking system, along with full access to Kartra support. So who is this great for? This is great for an entrepreneur, a solo entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, and a small business just getting started. You're going to have access to all the functions you need. However, if you're a company that's in growth mode, then the growth plan is probably the best for you because it has the greatest value in the pack. Now with this plan, you get everything that the starter plan has, but you get to unlock a few more features. So with this plan, you get unlimited emails, you get 12,500 contacts, you get free domains, unlimited languages, and 10 team members, plus a funnel simulation software, webinar access, which means you can have up to 300 attendees, an affiliate management system, advanced automations, surveys and quizzes, help desk access, and once again, full access to Kartra support. So if you're a growing business or a business that has plans to grow rapidly, then this will be the best plan for you because you don't have to slow down your potential growth based on your limitations of the software. Now, the professional plan is for a small business that's really established, really has systems in place already, because you get unlimited emails, but you get 25,000 contacts, along with 5 domains, unlimited languages, and up to 20 team members. So you get everything the growth plan has to offer, but you get real-time funnel analytics, you get up to 1,000 attendees on your webinar, and you get help desk live chat, as well as full access to Kartra support. So if this sounds like you, then this is definitely going to be a great plan for you to access and a great deal. Last but not least is the enterprise plan. Now, this is a bit of a larger business. This is for larger businesses who really want to streamline and automate their whole system. This is going to give you 250,000 contacts with 50 team members and 50 domains. And when it comes to webinars, you can have 5,000 webinar attendees and will definitely help you jump right into streamlining your whole business activities. However, this is where the deal comes from. This is where the best deals come from, is when you take a yearly plan, you get up to 22% off, which means you save $240 a year on the starter plan, $480 a year on the growth plan, $1,440 a year on the professional plan, and instead of paying $999, you pay $750 a month for the enterprise plan. So now that we've broken down the best way to get the best deals from Kartra, I want to tell you how you can access my 12k bonus stack that solves the number one problem all online businesses have, and that is traffic. So the first part of my 12k bonus stack is the 24-hour ranking system. Now this is going to show you how to put products and services on the front page of Google for free without using any ad spend at all. And you're going to do this by placing videos on the front page of Google and YouTube, which are the 2 biggest search engines in the world. Now, why is this powerful? This is powerful because you are going to go to where your customers are. Whatever search term they're looking for, you're going to be able to place on positions 1, 2, 3, and 4, eliminating the need to spend lots of money on Facebook ads and so many other ad platforms, which can be problematic at times, such as Facebook literally banning your ad account out of the blue, destroying your whole business out the gate. With this system, you are going to need zero budget and you're going to get right in front of your target audience with this very easy 5-step formula. The next part of this bonus is you are going to get a license to be able to give this 12K bonus stack away to your very own audience, helping you provide more value to whatever training you had, because all businesses need traffic. This doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're an online entrepreneur, if you're a course creator, if you have a membership site. Giving this license away is going to be very beneficial to whoever you're serving. So be sure to grab your 30-day free trial of Kartra so you can access this bonus stack. Next, you're going to get weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy. Now, Paul Murphy is the person that designed this system and is considered a super affiliate. So being able to ask him questions about your business, about your strategies, will definitely supercharge your online business. Now, Paul Murphy charges $15,000 or more just for a consultation. So if you have the opportunity to brainstorm with Paul Murphy weekly for free, then definitely do so, because it's not every day you get access to a super affiliate that's willing to share his system, his program, and give you powerful advice. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is going to give you your first listings on the front page of Google, which is definitely going to boost your confidence and make you want to implement this in your very own business, your affiliate marketing campaigns, your membership sites, or your courses. So with this bonus stack, you're going to get everything you need to supercharge your online endeavors. You're going to get the 24-hour ranking system. You're going to get unlimited weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy, a super affiliate. You're going to get access to give this bonus stack away to your own audience, and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this alone is going to be able to supercharge your online activities, but I want to sweeten the deal and I want to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, this is going to be an email marketing course that helps you make money by not only helping you improve your open rates, but by helping you build a mega list using a secret traffic source and teaching you how to use ChatGPT to leverage this whole process, making it very newbie friendly. So you need zero experience in order to help you make this work. Now, email marketing is the backbone of most businesses and it's responsible for a lot of repeat sales. So being able to master email marketing, increasing your open rates and click-through rates is definitely going to make you more sales. And best of all, this was $197, but if you decide to get a 30-day free trial through my link with Kartra, you're going to get this free today. So this means you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, a license to give this bonus stack away, access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, and you're going to get access to List Prodigy, which is an email marketing course that's going to teach you how to make at least up to $1,000 a day. But I'm not stopping there. I'm also going to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses. Now, this is going to be courses that cover everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to Amazon FBA, Bitcoin training, high ticket sales, and so much more. With this part of the bonus, you can use the information to improve your online skills, or if you're a membership site owner or course creator, you can use this information to inspire yourself in order to give more value to your audience by repurposing some of the content in these 90 Make Money online courses. Now, if you want to get hold of this, all you have to do is click below or go to evanslutu.com/Kartra, where you are going to land on this landing page. All you have to do is fill in your first name, your email, click both of these, which is essential so that you can receive the email that's going to give you access to this bundle stack. Once you do that, this button will take you directly to this page where you can sign up for your 30-day free trial just by clicking this button, filling in your information. Then you can test out this powerful platform and start working on building your courses, creating your landing pages, creating your email campaigns, all for free for 30 days. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.